In an era defined by technological innovation, artificial intelligence emerges as an engine for positive change. AI for social good. Solving real-world problems with technology explores how AI is being used to address urgent global issues, revolutionizing fields like healthcare and education, as well as environmental preservation and disaster relief. Let's get started. But before we start, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get a notification when we update videos like this one. Number 10. Healthcare revolution. One of the most profound ways AI is making a difference is in healthcare. AI supports early disease identification and diagnosis by having the capacity to swiftly and accurately analyze large amounts of medical data. AI algorithms have sped up the time-consuming task of medical imaging interpretation, performed by human radiologists. This acceleration enhances patient outcomes by enabling quick detection of anomalies in X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. Number 9. Education transformation. AI is transforming education into a personalized and dynamic experience. AI is used by adaptive learning platforms to identify students' strengths and weaknesses, and modify the curriculum to match each student's unique learning preferences. Artificial intelligence-powered chatbots offer quick academic support, improving accessibility for students with varying levels of expertise. Number 8. Environmental conservation. Environmental concerns have found an ally in AI. AI-powered sensors and drones gather crucial data that guide conservation initiatives, from tracking animal numbers to monitoring deforestation. These data are processed by machine learning models to forecast natural disasters like hurricanes and wildfires, allowing for prompt resource allocation and evacuation planning. AI's capacity to handle enormous datasets aids in the development of effective mitigation methods by fostering a greater understanding of the effects of climate change. Number 7. Access to quality education. AI has leveled the educational playing field by providing quality learning experiences to those with limited resources. While low-bandwidth AI applications enable consumption of content in locations with erratic internet connections, language translation solutions fill in linguistic gaps. Through education, marginalized populations are empowered to access knowledge and information that were previously out of their grasp, which contributes to addressing social inequality. Number 6. Social services and welfare. By enhancing resource allocation and case management, AI is enhancing social services. Social workers can more easily identify vulnerable adults and children who need protection thanks to predictive analytics. AI systems can forecast probable instances of abuse or neglect by examining trends, allowing for earlier intervention and help for those who need it. Number 5. Agricultural advancements. Agriculture is benefiting from AI-driven precision farming techniques. Artificial intelligence, AI, sensors on drones keep an eye on water use, crop health, and soil conditions. Decisions are informed by this data, which optimizes resource allocation and lowers waste. AI-powered systems can also anticipate crop illnesses, allowing farmers to take precautions and sustainably boost yields. Number 4. Inclusivity solutions. For language translation, personalized learning, and assistive technology, Inclusivity Solutions uses AI, empowering people with limitations. AI encourages equal participation by enhancing web accessibility and advancing social inclusion, making the world more accessible so that people from all backgrounds can participate fully in all facets of life. Number 3. Ethical considerations. While AI's potential is immense, it comes with ethical challenges. Inequalities in society can be sustained by bias in AI systems, which is frequently a mirror of previous data. As personal data is processed by AI systems, privacy problems surface. To ensure that the advantages are available to everyone, responsible development and deployment of AI technologies requires strong ethical frameworks, transparency, and accountability. Number 2. Public safety and crime prevention. AI's analytical prowess aids law enforcement agencies in predicting and preventing criminal activities. AI systems detect high-risk areas by analyzing crime patterns, enabling focused policing methods. While improving public safety, predictive policing raises concerns about data privacy and civil liberties, calling for strict oversight and ethical use. Number 1. Health monitoring and personalized medicine. Artificial intelligence-enabled wearable technology enables continuous health monitoring, enabling the early identification of health concerns. Analytics powered by AI provide insights into people's health trends, enabling effective interventions. Additionally, AI is revolutionizing healthcare practices by enabling the creation of personalized treatment regimens by taking genetic, lifestyle, and medical data into account. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive new updates. Stay tuned.